Our channel's most loyal followers know very well that in addition to regular doors, there are sliding doors. This operating principle allows you to use the space in the room more economically, but not only doors can be sliding, gates can be sliding too. In this case, the construction consists of 3 leaves that, when moved, overlap with each other. Although the gates are quite wide when open, the leaves don't take up much space. These doors consist of 4 rotating sections. It's not a coincidence that the manufacturer compares the construction to a kaleidoscope. If you don't want the entrance to be too noticeable, you can install a secret door, like this one for example. The surface was finished with the same wood panels used for the wall around it. The edges of the door were left uneven to hide the joints. But this isn't the only option for finishing a door. In this case, for example, all surfaces are covered with felt. The resulting wall has excellent soundproofing qualities, so the designer chose an unusual decoration. An inscription that says, "You have the right to remain silent." Some doors don't need an incredibly modern and futuristic design to be amazing and eye-catching. Take a look at this steel profile, for example. Despite its modest appearance, this door can withstand a hurricane. A special mechanism locks the closed leaves securely in place, but that's not all. Notice the barely visible and unusual opening mechanism. At first, it seems to be a swinging structure, but look closely. The leaves are not attached to the frame on the side axle. Instead, there is a guide rail on the upper frame and a knuckle joint on the doors. This way, the leaves open and pivot at the same time. This means that the gates don't take up too much space when opened. This door, like the previous one, was developed by specialists from the Italian company Meccatronica Automazione. The heart of the design is the automatic system Easy 800. This system, integrated in the closed aluminium profile, is responsible for closing and opening the doors. This model is specifically designed to move leaves up to 800 kilograms. However, there are other models like the Easy 400, the Easy 1000, and the Easy 3000. They can carry a weight of 400, 1000, and 3000 kilograms respectively. Imagine how difficult it is to open a huge door that weighs almost a ton. Fortunately, smart mechanisms make any operation very easy. Built-in sensors ensure safety. They stop the door leaf instantly if they notice an obstacle in the way. How about we forget about unusual doors and show you an unusual entrance? This vertical lift was developed by specialists from the Austrian company Selective Treppenlifter. The structure is made of glass as well as stainless steel sheets and profiles. Thanks to this, it can withstand adverse weather conditions and can be installed both indoors and outdoors. The SLS 4000 system is ideal for homes with elderly or disabled people. I don't think we need to explain why this particular gate is on our list. Italian experts from the company Avant-Gates Gentili Group created a design that's unlike anything you've ever seen before. The maximum length of the models is 7 meters, and the total opening time is only 15 seconds. The leaves are attached to metal shafts, but they don't open or move sideways along the guide rail, they move upwards. This option is ideal for wide driveways. Here we have another interesting option, optimal for public places, for example for parking lots. The leaves are arranged in such a way that when they're opened, they don't interfere with the passage on either side. The secret lies in the panels that the doors are made of. They are mobile in relation to each other. As you can see, the modern market offers a large number of doors and gate models. Some of them are designed in such a way that they can even completely replace walls or partitions in interior rooms. This is the dormer comfort drive system from the Canadian company Bravura, installed in one of their offices in Vancouver. The structure consists of a large number of components. All of them, both above and below, are attached to special rails. This feature allows each element to move on its own. Therefore, if you don't need the partition at any given time, you can easily just move it to the side. This is how doors help to rearrange the space and use the room more rationally. Other companies offer the option of replacing an entire wall with a door. This door was invented and installed by the Dutch company Frits Jurgens in a local church. Sometimes door openings are so unusually large that it's necessary to create a custom door, like the one that you see on your screen right now. This project was developed by the American company EWD. It works similarly to one of the doors we showed you earlier. The door has rails and a swivel mechanism that allows it to pivot instead of swinging. Surprisingly, it measures 1.8 by 3.3 meters. Imagine how much space such a large door would take up if it had to be opened the traditional way. Plus, you'd have to spend a lot of money on high-quality, durable materials that could hold the door on its side hinges. This option is also interesting. In this case, the door is made of glass. Here's another cost-effective solution for organizing space both at home and in the office. The huge 3-meter high entrance is covered by doors, which at the same time function as a partition. If necessary, they fold up, slide to the side, and almost completely free up the hall. Although the doors are made of glass, the design can provide privacy thanks to special sliding screens. If your home garage is not very spacious, the best solution is installing an entrance system like this one instead of a traditional door. This product is offered by the Italian company Silverlocks, although it's not the only option on the market. The advantage of these garage doors is that they slide under the ceiling and fold up without taking up any space. Keep in mind that the construction doesn't touch the ceiling and doesn't use rails or guides. Thanks to this feature, installation is simple and fast. The last gate we'll show you today is ideal for access roads with very limited space. Here the gate is part of the fence and is raised with a special lifting system. A similar opening mechanism can also protect the garage driveway, preventing other people from parking their cars there. Once again, the leaves rise and change position above the cars. This door, like the previous ones, was designed by the Italian company Avant Gates Gentili Group, mentioned earlier.
Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.